Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another recipe which is Janakpur style yogurt lassi. This is very famous recipe of Janakpur, Nepal. So let's get started with the ingredients. To prepare a lassi, here I have taken 1.5 cup yogurt and I have 1/3 cup of sugar. You can add the sugar as per your taste. And next I have some cashew nuts, raisins, kismis, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and I have taken this homemade khoa or khurauni. To prepare a lassi, in a blender jar, I'm gonna add this yogurt, add sugar and cardamom powder too, and blend everything. If you want, you can add some ice cube too. I'll keep this in a glass. Then add this homemade khoa or khurauni. Khurauni makes this lassi very delicious. That's why I'm adding. And this is the interesting part of Janakpur style lassi. And I'm going to garnish with some raisins, kismis and cashew nuts. Now our homemade Janakpur style lassi is ready to be served. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you liked the recipe, please give me your feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.